Okay. Hey guys, it's Steph here again today, and today is Vlogmas Day 23. And today we have a couple fun things in store. I have a package that I'm going to open from my Aunt Kay, and then Eric is going to make some floam for you guys, so that's going to be a lot of fun. And then later on in the video, I will do my unboxing, so stay tuned for that. So I'm going to open this package first. It is a little moose smiling on a little truck. Or a little, what would you call it? A little monster truck? But his batteries are dead, so I can't see what he does. But I got this from my Aunt Kay and my Uncle Rick, which you guys know my nickname is Moosey, so that's why they sent this. But it's super cute. And, yeah, definitely stay tuned for Eric making some floam. Take the whole lid off. Alright, guys, so Eric is here, and he is ready to make floam. So you just want to take that entire bottle of glue and pour it into the bowl. Try to get as much of the glue out as possible. Keep going. You'd be surprised at how much more will come out. And Santa came early. Eric bought me a PlayStation 4 for Christmas, so that's fun. Keep going. Squeeze one more time. Alright, I think that's good. See how much is still coming out, though? That'll be good. We're good. Alright, so then next you want to take your food coloring. And only put a couple drops. Don't squeeze it. You could actually pull it. Careful. One more. That's good. Okay. Then you're going to want to mix it, baby. Look how pretty that looks. So now you're going to want to add your activator. We're actually going to use Tide. That's good, babe. Now lay that on this box. Not that. The spoon. Lay the spoon on the box for now. Well, you're going to need it, so just hold it. Just hold it. Take your laundry detergent. Pour a little bit in. Pour a little bit at a time because it is easy to overactivate. That's good for now. Stir it. It's already turning to slime. Okay, put a little bit more in there. It's going to smell yummy. That might be a little too much. Maybe. Isn't it fun to make slime? Yes, it is. Mm-hmm. What do you think? I think it needs just a little bit more activator. Just a little bit more. That is probably going to be enough. Maybe. Can I feel the consistency of it? Okay, yeah, you need more activator. Just a little bit. I mean a little. Because you're getting there. Now this is the part you're not going to like. Once it starts to get like that, you're going to want to take it in your hands and play with it until it gets set the right way. Make sure you stir all of that in, though. Stop for a second. A little bit more activator. You have to put just a little bit at a time, because if you overactivate it, it'll fall apart. A little bit more than that. That's probably good. Now, if you don't want to hold it and play with it to get it set, I'll do it. But you have to hold the camera. Okay? Okay. Alright, here you go. Trade me. So far, he's done pretty good, though, guys. Alright, here you go. Turn it around. Needs more activator. This should do it. Oh, yeah. That might have been too much. Let's hope it puts together. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is take your hands and get in there. And you're going to want to play with it until it's together. Too much activator. See how it's getting soapy? But you're going to want to keep going till it's not so sticky. This is the most fun part, and you don't want to do this part. So it'll eventually stop sticking to you. And that's when you know it's good to go. Now, I'm not Karina Garcia, guys. So, I'm not that great with slime. But we will get it. Okay, Eric, take some activator. Put it in my hands. See how it's still sticking to me good? Little bit. Little bit. Over here, so it doesn't go on the carpet in case you miss. Okay, good. It's definitely turning to slime, though, because it's starting to get, you know, not so sticky. Alrighty, guys. So sorry, but my phone died, so I wanted to show you the final product here. So I'm gonna try to use my hand, one-handed, because my videographer over there is playing with the new PlayStation. So this is the finished product. It turned out pretty good. For it being only my second time ever making slime. I think it turned out pretty good. But I'm gonna just do some things with it, and hopefully we'll see how it works. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like it's a floam. So yeah, it turned out pretty cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, so I'm back with the rest of the video. So today is going to be day 7 for the socks. So I'm just going to reach in here and grab them because that won't come open. This is for day 7. These are cute little snowmen. Look, Eric, my day 7 socks. Day 7? See, that was for day 7. Okay. And then, we're also going to do day 7 of our planner. Which a lot of people are like, oh, you did it backwards. You should be counting down, not up. But I like to count up. Because everybody else is counting down. So here's the next kit. Oh my goodness, look, it's like little tiny raccoons. It's like a Valentine's Day kit, almost. How adorable. Okay, and then you want to reach into your bag of wonders and grab 2 things. The one thing I got was a planner die cut, and then this really thin washi that looks like it is just like a little chevron pattern. Focus. Yep. So that is everything today, guys. Eric is just playing farming, what is it, farming simulation, is that what it's called? Yep, he's playing his new farming game, and we're just getting ready to go to bed, because we both have to work early tomorrow, and I will see you guys later for tomorrow's video, Vlogmas Day 24. Bye!